What's going on, guys? It's Millennial Masters here, bringing you another video about SPCE or Virgin Galactic and how this stock is such a good stock to own for the future. We are going to be talking about the long-term future of this stock and asking a little questions about why we might be so interested in space travel and how this stock is going to make us a killing in the future. So stay tuned. So we see the stock is selling off right now, but I want you guys to ask yourself, is it the Virgin Galactic company that is the bad business? Is any new news came out? No, we haven't seen anything that has been bad. We just need to know that even though a stock goes down does not mean that stock is out. And I get so many comments all the time saying, how are you reporting on this stock that it's a great stock, but it's going down? Well, if you look at the whole market is in a frenzy right now. We're so close to election season. Volatility is insane, and people are selling their volatile stocks. Hence why we see a lot of good companies, whether it's Amazon, Facebook, these huge tech companies, and even Tesla and all these EV companies. We see them crashing because people are pulling out their stocks. But I want to let you guys know that this company is a great long-term hold. And I want you guys to ask yourself before anything, do I believe in space travel? Do I believe in commercial space travel? And if your answer is yes, why aren't you invested in this stock? If your answer is no, then you probably shouldn't be in this stock to begin with. And that's what I want to explain to all of you right now, is that if you believe in space travel and believe in this company, when the stock goes down 10%, you should not be freaking out, or you should not be investing in general. So many people think, oh, it's down 20%, I'm screwed, and they sell and they take their losses. And it's so ridiculous, because why did you invest in them in the first place? Did you think it was just going to be a quick money grabber? Because if you're investing in stocks thinking you can make a killing right off the bat, you might as well just go try something else, as in sales or starting your own business, because stocks are investments and they don't always go up. But we can see that the company is making rapid progress. The payoff is still a few years away though. Yet, as the only pure play space tourism stock in the market, this remains your best way to play the exposure for the megatrend. So we see that it's going to be worth so much money in the future, the space travel industry. And there's going to be hiccups. Now, this is a new company, right? Space travel is brand new. Of course, there's going to be hiccups. With Tesla, we saw people thought Tesla were going bankrupt and sold all their stock, and now look at their stock. Don't miss out on stocks like these. They are the future, guys. Virgin Galactic continues to have a solid long-term prospects between prepping its future pilots and being on track to launch its next test spaceflight. The company is putting in the work to turn what was once science fiction into economic reality. That is so powerful. It was once science fiction, but now space travel is coming into economic reality, and we have the chance as investors to invest in this, which is just mind-blowing, right? And for so cheap, $19 per share is this guy's stock target. This analyst, Noah Popnak, can't even say his name right, rating the equivalent of a hold. Now, why does he say hold? It's because in the short term, it may not translate into massive gains for the stock, which I'm trying to explain. This is not something that is going to explode very soon. But you want to be in it, so when that news comes out about that space test that went through, or they're going to start doing commercial space flights, you want to be in this stock. That is very important. So if you're one of those investors that you see a stock go down 10, 15%, and you're going to sell and freak out, I just recommend you go with other stocks, because this is not a stock for you. And I am saying that to help you. I am not saying that to, keep you away from this stock, because by all means, I completely believe in this stock, but for the long term. If you're trying to make a quick buck off this stock, it probably will not happen very much to your liking, as in, Neo or these other EV stocks, which I post a lot of videos on. So make sure you subscribe and like this video also if you're enjoying this already. But the good thing about Virgin Galactic is that they have such a good future, and positive free cash flow may not happen until 2025, But in the meantime, the company may need to raise a little bit more money, which is long term, long term, long term. That's what I see. But, once Wall Street really picks up on SPCE going, to the moon is when the stock is going to blow up, is when we see them starting their commercial test or their commercial flights after all these test flights, because they have to make sure it's regulated and safe to put people up into space, obviously. But once we see that happen, this company will be a multi-billion-dollar business. And as the company makes progress on its ambitious goals, expect shares to rise in the coming years. And that is why I am in it now. If you guys liked the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe and join the family. Let's hit 300 subscribers before the end of November. New target for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. Peace.